Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is most motivational story of Elon Musk. And after watching this video, you will realize that everything is possible. And life is all about risk and it requires you to jump. So my dear friends, keep watching please. Elon Musk was born in South Africa. He was a bookworm who was really interested in computers and sci-fi. Instead of hanging out with friends, he spent a lot of time reading. I was raised by books and then my parents. He lived with both of his parents in South Africa until the age of 8. But he didn't see them much and mostly lived with under the watch of housekeeper. Musk said that the housekeeper was mainly there to make sure he didn't break anything. When his parents got divorced, Musk said he felt sorry for his dad and decided to move with him. But he soon realized that was not a good idea. In one interview, Elon described what he said was a miserable childhood. His father was emotionally abusive and tough on his children, allegedly ordering Musk and his brother to sit silent for 4 hours as he lectured them. He was such a terrible human being. You have no idea. My dad will have a carefully thought out plan of evil. He will plan evil. Elon also claims that his father was verbally abusive to him when he was younger. That he didn't believe that Elon will make something of his life and be successful. After Elon moved to Canada, he received disapproval from his father. He said rather contentiously that I would be back in 3 months, that I'm never going to make it. I'm never going to make anything of myself. He called me an idiot all the time. Musk was also bullied in school. One time, he was beaten so badly that he needed to go to the hospital. They got my best friend to lure me out of hiding so they could beat me up, and that hurt. His very difficult experience both at home and school would eventually lead Musk to leave South Africa. So, how his life changed? When Elon Musk got his first computer, he immediately got interested in programming and started to learn by himself. At the age of 12, he earned $500 by selling a computer game, Blaster, which he had created by himself. When he was 17, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University. 2 years later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he received an economics degree and degree in physics. He began a PhD at Stanford University in 1995, but dropped out after 2 days to pursue an entrepreneurial career. When I was in college, I wanted to be involved in things that would change the world. He sold his first company, Zip2, for $300 million at the age of 26. He then co-founded PayPal, which became a great success. After selling PayPal, he received $180 million. He took huge risk with his money as he invested all of them in both of his new companies. He said that he had to borrow money for rent. One of them was Tesla Motors and the second was SpaceX. Both of those companies almost went bankrupt during recession, but Musk didn't give up and bounced back. Today, those companies are worth $1 billion. Elon Musk inspired the creation of SolarCity. Also, he founded the Boring Company. But what makes him so special? Elon is incredibly hard worker. Work like hell. I mean, you have to put in 80 to 100 hour weeks every week. This improves the odds of success. So my dear friends, remember Elon when you feel unmotivated and inspired. He's a great example for pushing yourself forward. If you're not trying to do the same, you may be sacrificing your great potential. You know, what makes him different from other billionaires is that he has visions for new ways of doing things that most people wouldn't even be able to imagine. Like many people who have succeeded in life, what you don't see behind the curtain is the incredible chain of failures. Elon's life choices are an inspiration and motivation to all. He is taking tremendous risk, bouncing back from failures, not giving in on fear, and trying to achieve the impossible. There is much to learn from the craziest Elon Musk. And always remember that success comes to those who work hard, take risks, and never give up, even if they will fail. Failure is part of the process. And believe me, you can do anything. You can be anything you want to be, as long as you believe in yourself and work hard.